Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together as we venture into the exciting realm where technology is breathing new life into our ordinary videos. We are about to explore a remarkable software that offers the promise of enhancing and upscaling videos, effectively turning standard definition into high definition, and even converting high definition into stunning high-resolution content. Before we delve into the magic of this software, let's take a moment to acknowledge how artificial intelligence and machine learning are reshaping our world. What was once considered impossible is now unfolding before our eyes. Recently, I came across a software called Topaz Video Enhanced AI, which claims to upscale videos, clean up compression artifacts, and bring back lost details. Today, I will be demonstrating it for you. To clarify, this is not a sponsored video. My aim is simply to show you how to enhance and upscale your videos. To get started, we will need to open the Topaz software. If you are unsure about this process, don't worry. I have created a dedicated video titled Getting Started with Topaz that provides step-by-step instructions on creating an account and downloading the application to your desktop. As I am using the free plan, we will begin the free demo option, which allows us to explore Topaz capabilities without any initial commitment. After selecting free demo, the next step is to click on Browse to choose and upload the video you want to enhance and upscale. Now, let us shift our focus to the right-hand side of the interface, where you will find various tools and options. Our primary goal at this stage is to enable the enhancement feature, essentially the catalyst for the transformation process. Additionally, we will choose the progressive option for the video type to ensure a seamless, high-quality enhancement. And next, click on Preview to witness the difference. As you can see, there is a noticeable improvement. However, our aim is to achieve a high-resolution video. Conveniently located in the upper right-hand corner of the interface is a vital tool, the resolution control. Let us click on this resolution control, just a single click away. Once you are there, you will be presented with several options. For our quest to achieve high-resolution excellence, we will select the 4K upscale option to make the video truly impressive. After choosing 4K, click on Preview once again. Prepare to be astonished, as what you're about to witness is nothing short of awe-inspiring. Incredible! If you zoom in, you will notice a stark contrast between the enhanced high-resolution video and the original. It is like night and day. The clarity and level of detail are truly remarkable. In summary, Topaz Video Enhanced AI has dominated its capabilities to significantly enhance the quality of your older footage. While it may not perform miracles like turning standard definition into native high resolution and may not work flawlessly with every video clip, it is a solid choice for upscaling, eliminating compression artifacts, and enhancing clarity. However, it does come at a premium price of $299 for a license. Here's a question for you. Would you be willing to invest that much to enhance the quality of your cherished archival footage? I'm eager to hear your thoughts, so please share them in the comments section below. I genuinely hope that this video has not only provided you with valuable information, but has also served as a helpful resource for your specific needs. If you have more questions, encounter new queries, or need further guidance, please feel free to reach out. Our team is always here, ready to assist you on your journey. Whether through comments, emails, or direct messages, we welcome and value your inquiries. As we conclude in this video, I'd like to leave you with a sense of anticipation. Our next video promises even more insights, tips, and strategies to enrich your experience. So, stay tuned to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our upcoming video. Thank you for watching.